Hi, everyone. I have another way for you to use QR codes in the classroom. And so that would involve student projects. So oftentimes in the classroom, students create great projects, usually in using Google, something. So let's say that your students created a slides for part of their presentation, and you want them to be able to share that with the rest of the class, or maybe even with parents. And so what you will want to do for this is go ahead and open up the presentation, and you are going to want to publish this presentation. And this makes the link to this available to, it makes it available to anyone who has access to that QR code. So I'm going to go ahead and come up here to File. And then as you scroll down, you want to publish to the web. And when you publish this to the web, there's some options here for slideshows and for the different ones you can use. You can play around with that. But what you're going to want to do is when you publish it, you are given a link here. And this is, I've already published it, so it's not going to let me do it. But you're given a link here. And so you would go ahead and click published. And then this link is what you could then copy and go out to QR stuff or another code generating website. And the student could paste this link into that website, create a QR code. And from there, they could take a screenshot of the QR code or find another way to take a picture of that so that they can share it with you. Now, for yourself, the easiest thing probably to do would be to create a document and share this document with everyone in your class. You could use Canvas or Google Classroom. Share this document out and then ask your students to paste their code into this document. And pretty soon you will have in one document all of the students' codes. You can resize them, make them as big or small as you want to. And then from there, you would be able to print them off and then paste them around the classroom. And students could then use their Chromebooks to go around the classroom and they could view different presentations randomly on their own device. It works equally as well for parents during an open house night where parents could come in and they could use a QR code scanner on their phone like iNigma, or there's several other ones. They could use that on their phone and they could go around and they could view some of the students' presentations that way too. So anyway, another fun idea for how you can use QR codes in your classroom.